I'd like to take you through what actions are available in the expenses list. You can also do the same using your mobile iOS or Android app. In the main Fiskl menu, click on Expenses and your list will appear. You can choose what you would like displayed in your expense list by clicking on the gear icon and making your selection and click on Apply. If you'd like to filter your expense list, click on Filter. You can filter by a set period, say for example the last financial year or the last month. You can create a custom period, choose your clients, sort by currencies, and also you can see whether or not your list items are billed or unbilled. You can sort by your users and also your category. Your applied filters are always cached, so you always return to the same filtered list. To change or view the entire list, click Clear Filters. If you'd like to sort your list, you can click on the up or the down arrow against the column headers. The filled in blue B icon here shows that the expense has been attached to an invoice. The clear B icon shows that it is a billable expense but is yet to be invoiced. To edit an expense which has already been invoiced, click on the billed item to open the invoice. Click on the three dots, view an invoice. If your invoice status isn't open or rejected, then you can edit the expense within the invoice directly. You can also delete here as well if you prefer. If the invoice status is sent, paid or overdue, you'll need to change the status to open by clicking on the edit icon. Here you can either edit or you can delete. You need to click on Save to re-enable the payment page. You can import your expenses by going to Import, choosing a CSV file from your computer or device, and then match the columns with the fields in Fiskl. Name, date, total, and then import. You'll then have a preview of the expense items which will be imported, and then click on Import. You will then receive a notification of how many expenses have been added to your list, and they will appear in your list. You can also export your expenses by clicking on Export, and you can export to Excel, CSV, or Excel including any images that are attached to your expenses.